Hey guys, so we are back once again for another Stocks by Request where we feature the top stocks that you guys requested via social media. So for this video, I want to tackle DMC, SCC, which was requested by Dr. Adrian Fernandez. Then you have ACEN. Then you also have NIKL Asia. We're going to talk about tech. We're going to talk about MWIDE, and we're going to talk about Vista Land. So all of that in the next few minutes, analyzing everything from a technical analysis point of view. Please do note that in spite of us talking about this, analyzing this, doing a deep dive in all of this, please do note that these are not stock picks or tips. Please decide on your own if the stock is worth buying or not, because it's your money, it's your responsibility, and you need to build a framework on how you should buy and sell. And that's the most important thing, that you use the videos as a reference on how you plot, how you build your support, how you build your resistance, and how I analyze it. That I hope you get the logic on how I do it. But please do not just buy just because it's talked about. You need to build and learn and do things on your own. And if you're new to this channel, like, share, subscribe, and smash the bell so you get updated every time I come up with new content about investing and about the market. So let's do this. Let's do a deep dive. So by the way, no, I just want to show you also that the PSEI closed at 7,102, as you can see right here in the chart. Um, Value turnover has been consistent, 9.45 billion, very, very strong. Then you also have a 1.40% drop, primarily because also you saw the big guns, the large cap stocks from SMAC, Ali, BDO, massively down for the day. So let's get the ball rolling, and let's start with DMC. DMC, has still been continually moving in its reversal. As you can see right here, massive reversal pattern. But as you can see also, it somehow hit already the 629 resistance right here, which is characterized by the intraday movement that we're seeing here. Hit 6.29, then it started to reverse. So please do take note that this is still pushing up here, then it's still pushing up right here. So you have a reversal from a downtrend, but not just that. You have an upward push, double, one that started around the reversal in August, but it bottomed out somewhere around August. Then you have another push from November 9, 2020. And if you interlace this at least together, that's how you could possibly start to push it. But right now, selling happened today primarily because it hit the 6.29 resistance level. So this is interesting because this is the highest point that DMC hit, at least for January 2020. The last time it hit that level was November 2019. So it would be interesting to see if DMC breaks past that level, because if it does break out from that level, then it opens up a world of opportunities for it, because the next possible resistance is at 7.29, and then followed by another big one at the 8.37 level. So please do write this down. 6.29 current resistance, followed by 7.29, then followed by 8.37. That being said, also, if it does not break out from the 6.29 level, possible area for it to retrace, you could peg it somewhere around this area at the 5.63 mark. So current resistance right now, 6.28. Current next possible support is at 5.63. And the stock, from a position trading standpoint, still massively in a reversal into an uptrend, or it's currently into an uptrend. Now let's look at Semirara, the subsidiary, the mining power subsidiary of DMC, which was requested by Adrian Fernandez. And because his girlfriend attended Stock Smarts Manila, tapos binigyan niya ako ng alcohol. It was an amazing alcohol. So mababaw lang naman kaligayahan ko. So thank you so much to your girlfriend who gave me alcohol. Anyways, DMC, SEC is also reversing. As you can see right here, it looks similar to the chart of DMC in a way, but this one is purely from a fundamental point of view. It's highly connected to the movements of how the mining industry would go. But here's the thing: if SCC is down, it will also affect DMC. But DMC has a lot of other companies that are totally not related anymore to mining. But that being said, it's from a position trading standpoint, it's also reversing. It hasn't moved as high and as fast as how DMC went, no, but it's already starting to break out from its ascending triangle. For those who attended our Stock Smart sessions, you know the context of it. It's already up for at least 45%, no, or it's already up around 56% from the breakout from that particular level. So next possible resistances for Semirara is 14.5, then followed by 18.5 pesos per share. So please do write this down. The breakout today, if it holds, it stabilizes. 12.88 becomes the new support. Then the next possible resistances to watch out for is 14.5 and 18.5 pesos per share. Position trading, the stock is reversing from a downtrend into an uptrend, and it's currently still pushing up. Major support right now is at least for the 200-day moving average is, if I'll peg it also here, you can put another line at this level at 12 pesos. But because of the breakout that happened today, current support is 12.88, resistances 14.5, 18.5. Comment below if you're learning. Comment if this is something that's helping you. Adrian Fernandez and girlfriend, thank you so much for the pabango. Anyways, this is where ACEN is. Hindi pala pabango, alcohol, alcogel, na hindi nakaka-dry down ng skin. Anyways, ACEN, it's starting already to consolidate. It's been consolidating already for quite some time. Even if you follow the videos that I have been making, current tradable range is 5.82 support level. Current tradable range also 6.64 resistance level. So this particular range, if you'll try to watch it, it's just 13.7%. If you also look at it since November 23, the 5.82 support level has been holding. And the thing about that is that you have to watch that also, because the next, I think, strong support right now is at 4 pesos. So if 5.82 does not hold as a support level, then there might be a larger downward stride here, not unless something happens in between that it gets to develop a support. But from what we're looking at right now, from where we are right now, this is the current support area for AC Energy. Next, let's look at Nickel Asia. For Nickel Asia, it had a good move today, no? A massive move, closed at 5 pesos per share. What's interesting for Nickel Asia is it's a textbook example of a reversal. Classic, amazing reversal. And if you note it here, a boom. Those who attended our Stock Smart sessions, you know the whole context of a downward move, consolidate, breakout, then massively move up into an uptrend. So that's where we are right after the breakout right here for Malaysia. It's up already over 149%, and that's what makes the market amazing. You just look for and spot reversal patterns, and you just maximize it to the fullest extent. So Nickel Asia, if you notice it, nauna siya kaysa sa may ibang stocks na we are looking at right now, DMC, SEC, in terms of reversals. The Nickel Asia has reversed earlier. It's moving into an uptrend. If you're a position trader, basing it from the parameters that I'm showing you, the trend lines, the moving averages, and the short, mid, and long term ones, you can still ride out the trend. Short term support right now, you could peg it at 4.47 if you are a quick trader. So, position trader, it's still pushing towards its uptrend. It's still maximizing and moving towards its possible uptrend. If you want to look at the next possible resistance area, I'd probably peg another resistance level around here. So 5.47, then you have another one at 6.33, then you have another one at 7 peso mark. So if you look at it from here, please do note that the breakout from this area, 4.45, next possible resistance is 5.49, 6.34, then 7 pesos. Comment below if you're learning, but what we do know right now is Nickel Asia has reversed from a downward trending move into an uptrend with no reversal signal yet in sight. And if you are a quick trader, 4.47 is your support. And your next possible resistances are here, 5.49, 6.34, and 6.99. There. Isa lang request ko, guys, if you're learning, smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm, and also put in the comment section, algo, 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 if this is something that's helping you, and if this is something that's adding tremendous value to you. By the way, in the description below, before I talk about Certec, we have two seminars. We're probably doing another small seminar under the new normal end of January. link is in the description. Then we're doing another online class, first time, not pala online class, but a online technical analysis course, which will be done also online. So it will also be in the there's it's not yet finished, but we're for those who are interested in that, you can leave your email and then the team will just send you details once it's already available. So there. So now for Certec, this is how it looks like. This is your support. This is your resistance, and this is your resistance. Though it's above all of the moving averages, the moving averages though look flattish, which somehow no confirms a sideways trending market. So your current resistance right now is 7.4. Breakout from that will bring it to 9.43. So please do note, strongest support level is 4.7. If that does not hold, it's at 3.43. Next possible resistance is at 7.4 and 9.43. All of the moving averages right now are relatively bullish. So just to note, if it breaks out from this, then it would possibly confirm another breakout from an ascending triangle, which is useful, which is amazing, which is interesting. By the way, I pegged 9.43 as a resistance. You have another short term one here at the 8.43 mark. So for those who just want a shorter duration, no, failure, if it has a hard time here, that could be your first possible area to look at. Then this is your next possible area that you could conceive as an area of resistance. Next, let's look at MWIDE. MWIDE had a lot of volatility also the past few days, but it's so interesting because in spite of the downward volatility that we're seeing here, it's somehow still above the 20-day, the longer term moving average, the 50-day moving average, and it's still progressing in its breakout from this level, 814, and the support level, 4.65. So please just write this down. Here are the next resistances. Current support level that we're seeing right now is 8.14. Next possible resistance is 10.8, 14.29 if you are doing a quick trade. So by the way, bounce from 814, breakout from 814. This is your possible uh, upside. Another longer one if you're willing to wait longer. That's the next possible resistance level. But from a trend point of view, as long as the 8.14 level will hold, and as long as it stays above the moving averages, and as long as this will continue to progress no in its upward movement, then we could possibly see another upward push for mega wide. But again, support and resistance, 8.14 support, 10.8 resistance, 4.29 next possible resistance. It's currently reversing into an uptrend right now, and it's no longer in what we call a more bearish market, or at least in a bearish market. Next, we have mega. After mega world, we have mega wide. Sorry, after mega wide, we have mega world. Mega world is also pushing into an uptrend. It's also reversing by virtue of this breakout from this particular resistance level. It's also, or at least moving average breakout. Then it's also breaking past the 3.42 level. It's forming a short-term resistance here at 4.06. So this is what we know right now for mega world. Basically, number one, it's still in an uptrend. It's in an uptrend. It currently has reversed from the downtrend, as evidenced by the breakout from moving average, breakout from 3.42, and then the higher highs and the higher lows. Current support right now for quick traders is 3.42. Current resistance right now is 4.06, meaning failure to break out from the 4.06 level, you know what the course of action will be if you're a quick trader. Should it break out though, next possible resistance is 5.02. So please write this down. Resistance 4.06, breakout from 4.06 will be 5.02. Failure to break out from 4.06 will allow it to retrace to the next support at 3.42. Then you have moving averages also below that, and it's still pushing towards an uptrend. All right. I hope you guys are learning, and I hope that this is something that's massively, massively, massively helping you and giving you so much value, because that's all we want. That's the goal of this channel, is just to educate people and to give them the right decision on how they're supposed to analyze their money. So we've been continually tracking Vistaland. No, it has broken past 4.35. Then the previous trading day, it broke past 4.77. So we're now looking at it on the second day of its breakout. Comment below, second day of its breakout, second day of its breakout, second day of its breakout. So there. So I have a call. Sandali lang guys. Hello? Okay, sige. Thank you. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. So there, I have to go, guys. Let's just finish this. Resistance 6.12, current support 4.77. It's also, if you look at it here, uh, it's also trying to form a very, very long and strong. For those who attended other sessions, this looks like a very, very long rounding bottom right here if it pushes. But it's still far from that. It needs to break out from 6.12, and 4.77 needs to hold. So please write this down. If 4.77 holds, confirms itself as a legit support, and it stays above that, next possible movement for Vistaland will bring it to the 6.12 level. So this is around 28.2% from the current breakout, and it's already 119% already from the bottom, and from the past breakout it's also up 4.90%. So please remember 4.77. If it stays above that, holds that level, then 4.77 could be pegged as your new support level, with your resistance now pegged at the 6.13 mark. So I hope you guys got a lot from this, and I hope that this is something that added value to you. In this channel also, we posted a video 5 p.m. talking about Dito, their sell sites. Is it actually good? Are they following the plan? And also 8 p.m. In my first channel, we talked about property investing, which is a better area for you to put in your money, BGC or Makati. And that's a 3-part series also altogether. So I hope you guys got a lot from this, and the links are down below for the new batches of seminars, online, offline, the books that I have. For those who want to support this via Patreon or YouTube community, for those who want to read my books, they're also in the description below. And for those who want to invest in US markets, everything is there, eToro. So that's it for now. Hope you guys got a lot. Hope you guys enjoyed. And I hope that this video helped you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, guys, and God bless you all.